Today, you'll be learning about
Fixing a dislocated shoulder.
You've probably seen in movies macho men smashing their arms against things and it just magically fixes it. This is not the case. Step 1 is monitor circulation in the wrist. A strong pulse means there's no circulation disruption, which is a great thing. You get 2 separate pieces of cloth, like shirts or something. And if you're alone, a piece of paracord or rope can help. For this next part, try to find a tree or a wall. You want to get the injured arm at a right angle with your elbow pushing into your side. Press your hand against the wall or the tree, and if you're alone, use the rope or paracord to pull your elbow slowly forward. And just like me with mental math, it's gonna take a while. While keeping that hand at a right angle, slowly bring that arm to your chest. And this is where you pull out your cloth, your sling and swath. First, you want to make the sling, which elevates your elbow to keep your shoulder in place. Next, wrap the swath around your body to keep your elbow from leaving your chest. And when you're done, still seek medical attention, because it's sometimes not a quick fix. Congrats, you learned all the steps. Now, I'm not a doctor, so do your own research and make sure you don't take the same way back so you don't fall again.